Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about movie-inspired onesies. Hey everybody, what's going on? My name's Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about some Mean Girls movie inspired onesies that I made for a friend of mine. In a video that you saw, or that I recently posted, I talked about my friend Julie who just had a baby. I'll link the video here up above. For a card that I made her, and for a gift I wanted to make her some onesies for her baby girl, and she is in love with the movie Mean Girls. So I came up with 3 different designs based off of the most popular, well, maybe not the most popular, but some of the popular sayings that came out of that movie. Here's some pictures of what they looked like. Aren't those fun? I love how they turned out, and she loved it. She sent me a thank you card, and she said that it was one of her best gifts that she had gotten, all the good stuff. So if you like this, it doesn't have to be just on onesies, obviously. You can use it on t-shirts or really anything that you want to put vinyl on. Why don't we head over to my blog? I'll show you how to get the design, and then we'll move over to Design Space, and then we'll get started making them, okay? Okay, we are here at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access, you can click the Get Access tab, but for now we're going to go to Enter the Library. Once you've entered the password, you're going to scroll down the files and find the Mean Girls inspired designs. Click on that and download it to your computer, and then we can head to Design Space. Alright, now that we're in a new project, we're going to go to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file to our computer, and hit Open, and then Save. Highlight that image and hit Insert Image. Alright, let me zoom out just a little bit. There we go. Now, you're going to want to change the dimensions of the design before you ungroup the design. Changing the dimensions based on the size shirt that you want to make. So you need to measure the width of the shirt and then size accordingly. Once you've done that, hit the Ungroup button. And then you're going to need to attach the different colored layers. So highlight all of the pink and hit attach. Highlight all of the black and hit attach. And then you can head up to Make It. And you can see our 2 layers. You're going to want to make sure that you mirror both layers because we are doing a vinyl, heat transfer vinyl project. And you always mirror heat transfer vinyl. Hit continue. Select your materials, and then we can start to cut. Alright, we're going to need our green standard grip cutting mat, our vinyl choices, and you can see I have glitter vinyl here as well, our CRICUT brayer to make sure that we adhere the vinyl well, our weeding tool, and our CRICUT scraper, just in case. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting everything out. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit to not bore you guys. Alright, now that everything is cut, it's time to prep our onesie, or if you're using a regular shirt, it would be time to prep the shirt. I'm just heating it up just slightly while the Easy Press comes to temp. I'm following the heat guide from CRICUT.com. I'm going to fold the onesie in half lengthwise. And I apologize, the video is zoomed in a little bit. For some reason when I was recording, my phone flipped to horizontal, so that's why it looks a little funny. Now I'm just pressing the shirt a little bit, and it will create a crease down the center. Hopefully you guys can see that. There we go. That will help with lining everything up. My easy press is now up to temp at 315 degrees according to the heat guide. I am just preheating the fabric for 5 seconds. And now I'm going to start with the black layer and lining it up with that center line that we creased into the onesie. And I'm going to press this with light pressure for 30 seconds. Alright, now I'm just checking to make sure that it is cool to the touch. And I'm going to slowly peel the carrier sheet away from the onesie. If any of your design comes up while you're doing this, just put the carrier sheet back down and press for a few more seconds. That looks good. Now time to grab the glitter vinyl. And the glitter vinyl, it does have a different temperature and a different press time. So you always want to make sure that you refer back to the CRICUT heat guide to follow the directions according to whichever material you are using. That's also for the shirt material and for the vinyl that you're using. Alright, now I'm going to take the extra carrier sheet from the black layer and cover up, make sure that the whole design is covered up, and flip the onesie over. And you have to press according to the heat guide. You want to press for 30 seconds from the back. Alright, so I've flipped the onesie over and it is cool to the touch, so I am going to slowly start to peel the vinyl away. Alright, that looks good. Flatten it out a little bit. How cute is that? You'll follow the same steps for the other files in the download. I'm going to show you what they all look like. This one we just did. Here is the It's October 3rd version. And then My Mom Isn't Like a Regular Mom. She's a cool mom. I love how these turned out. How cool is that? I love to do t-shirts and clothing. It's one of my favorite things besides cards. Cards is one of my big things to do on a CRICUT. If you like this video, make sure that you hit like and subscribe to my channel so you know every time that I come out with a new one. Head over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. There's lots of craft tutorials, new or different t-shirts, there's cards, there's home decor, all kinds of good stuff. Until next time guys, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see you later. Bye.